Yes guys. This is a new epic and interesting video, where I'm gonna show you an image that has two possible interpretations. Yup. Some people can see a dog. And others see a bird. Or, if you are cool and smart, you can see both of them. But this illusion consists of what you see first. So, here we go. Well, that was the image. Which figure did you see first? Okay. Now, for watching this whole video, take this extra picture that also has two interpretations. Tell me in the comments what can you see, or what did you see first?